Hey, Jerry. Those are Jerry's birds.
The other ones are going to come out now. I'll let them out.
All right. You're gonna be on YouTube, man.